Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is a girl Sarah joined the building. In case you see my amazing face for the first time, I'm a YouTuber based in River State, Nigeria, on which I talk about beauty, lifestyle, relationship, and all of those good stuff. In case you're wondering where I am, I'm in the office currently. For those of you who are new to the channel, because I know that we have new subscribers, I work hard in 9 to 5. I'm doing, and also a YouTuber as well, so you're welcome to the channel. Guys, I just ended a new vlog with this dress, in case you're wondering. So it's another content. I'm in the office right now. This is like past 3 to 4. Yeah. Let me show you something I bought. Let me just place my phone somewhere here. Yeah, so in here I have these. You guys will be very surprised. I got these. I'm so excited. I got these things. Let me show you. Yeah, I got this dankwa. Is it dankwa and kulikili? This is kulikili. Yeah, guys, when I was in primary school, these are my favorite snacks. I'm not even lying. Like, after break period, or maybe at the close of school, if they give me money, pocket money, I'll go and buy this. Because then in primary school, I was saw a woman that used to sell all these things. I also used to sell all this around my school area, so I normally buy these things. Now that I saw them close to my office area, I bought yesterday. So I not block that. I bought yesterday. I bought today. Yesterday I bought what of 500 naira own. What of 500 naira own, and not today. I got this for 300. If you've tasted this, let me know. Yeah, some people used to drink garri. But I like this. So these are one of my favorite snacks. Yeah. So see you guys later. Hey guys, so I got parfait. This is parfait. I bought parfait this one because this is what I'm going to be taking for dinner. Guys, I ate a bar in the office during break period, during the lunch period. So I'm taking parfait. I don't want to eat anything heavy. I don't want to eat rice. I feel like this is just the best for this night. Yep. So let's eat. Come on, Jimmy. I got this for 2.5. Quite expensive. Nigeria things are so crazy right now, so let's just eat. Yep. Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. Yeah, I'm in the position my camera very well. Hope you guys are doing amazingly good. This is the next morning. As you can see, I'm in the office. My face look as if it's not getting bright, not bright. I'm a bit tired. But nothing, I'm okay. I'm doing very fine. I came to the office this morning, guys. I don't know what's happening to me. I'm having issues with wardrobe. But anytime I want to go to work, I also think of what I'll wear. And this is cause of NEPA. There's no lights. They don't keep lights. So this is just my issue. Nothing serious. After now to get material, I'm going to get material for an event that is coming up soon, just a week from now. I have to get material, pick a frame for somewhere. That's all. I look as if I'm tired. See, somebody needs vacation. Someone needs holiday. So just speaking, I need to rest. Where I know I won't be working. It's just for me to eat, to relax, all of those good stuff. No stress. Just watching movies, and that's all I want. So see you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys, hope you guys are good. I just want to stand like this and talk to you guys this morning. Guys, I didn't vlog. I don't know if you guys saw. Okay, I didn't do anything yesterday. Yeah, I didn't do anything yesterday. I went after I think I closed very early. I think I left the office around 4. Guys, leaving the office by that time, if you see the weather, the sun, around 4. The sun was like as if it was 12 o'clock sun. The sun was so serious. Is it that I started having headache? I was even scared, like while I even left that time, because I wanted to get some things. I wanted to go get materials because we have family events, and I said yesterday was the best time for me to get it so that I can give my cloth to the tailor to make for me. And the sun was just mad. I was just, if you see me here, God, I was literally complaining on the road. Imagine somebody who does not have car and with that kind of weather that was madly hot. The sun was too much. And I was like, imagine when you don't wear sunscreen and you go out under the sun. How will your skin be? God, how will your skin be? That's all. Talking about sunscreen, because of this weather, because of the sun that is out, I really want to add other products to my skincare routine. I want to add something, not like something that will brighten up my face, like, because I don't want to have all this hyperpigmentation, all this sunburn, because the weather is hot. I do apply my sunscreen twice. That's the strength I can carry, sometimes even 3 sef. But I do apply my sunscreen often because I normally carry my sunscreen to the office, and it's not really easy. It's not really easy, and skincare is not that cheap. So I just want to add other ingredients to my skincare routine, like product I don't have, like all this Zalistic, I don't know, all this acid blah 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 thing. I want to add into my skincare. So guys, sorry for the noise, my neighbors are like making noise. So let me show you the material I bought yesterday. Let me show you the material I bought. Really,看，一时的很啊。I don't want to force this now. Say it. Jesus, why is it taking time? So this is the lace. Guys, things are expensive. Those people who are doing wedding events, how you guys doing? Because prices of things are no good area. Prices of things are no good area. I got this. This one is 3 years. I don't know if you can see. This is 3 years of lace. This one is for gown. I'm making 2 out, like I said. This one is for gown. Then see, this material was one of the cheapest materials I could get in that shop. So I got 3 years of date. This one is for gown. Yep. Why this one is for blouse. The outfit are still, yes, I know everything is white. This one is for blouse. Yeah. Then probably use 2-waist wrapper. For those of you who don't know, as an enjoy girl, you must stay wrap. So this is just the outfit. I say outfit. This is just the blouse. This one is for the blouse. This one is one quarter be thereabouts. Yeah. This one is more expensive than this one. Yeah. But I just love them. They are good. Even this one was the affordable ones. Materials are expensive. They even tell me that the cheap lace for 1 year is 5,000. You can't see a list of 2,000 any longer again. I say, hey. So when I go wed now, I still go spend money. God will bring the money that time. God will provide. So let's go to work. Let me go to work now. I'm almost late. I'll give these things to my friend who is a tailor. I have a very good friend that is a tailor. She makes good clothes apart from my sister's friend. Please forget those in the background. You're saying I have a very good friend that's a tailor. She makes good, perfect outfits. So I'm giving her these things to make for me. Today after work, I'll go to her house. I'll call her, then I'll drop this material. Hopefully pick them by Wednesday or Thursday. I'll bribe her. See you guys later. See you. just, it's not up to 30 minutes. This rain started. The whole place. Ah! After charging so much money. Still rains. No, I cannot live in this place. It's flooded everywhere. Oh God, shit. Hi guys. Hi guys, good morning. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. This is the next day. Today is Saturday here, and I've not done anything too much. I just cleaned the kitchen, washed the plate, clean some other areas that I need to clean, and I'm going out. I want to give my dress to my tailor. Now I think I said that I want to give my dress to my friend, but my friend is very busy with work. I just called her now and she said she has gone to the store around 6 to 7, so I'm giving her only the blouse to make for me. Then my sister's friend will make the gown. That is, I'm going to do it. So once I'm back from there, I will clean up my clothes. Yes, I'm supposed to call someone to wash my clothes for me. Someone introduced me to someone, but I don't really know, and the guy will not do ironing. So I want to call the laundry guy inside the estate. Since he does washing and ironing, I think I'll prefer him than the one that will not do ironing, because guys, I struggle for ironing of clothes. So I want to do that. Then I want to get body lotion. Normally I use Avino body lotion, but it's not even the price at this stage. The price is 18,000. It's not the price, but my friend was telling me that, Sarah, you need a treatment lotion as well, not only normal body lotion. And I think it's true, because she has told me that last year. My friend is into, how did they even call them? Is it an essential that whatever? You know, this like people from, she does all this facial, all those things for your face. So that's the, she told me that, say, Sarah, you need a body treatment. So I'm going to get a body treatment and also a lotion. That is all. I'll talk to you guys. I have an office call. Bye. Hi guys. So I'm back from my friend's house. I went to drop my dress and my list for them to make the glove. My friend was not around. And I stopped by to get water, and I bought salad. Yeah, before I forget, I ate salad in my friend's house. Sorry, I ate moments. I bought salad right coming back. Let's look at salad and the cream. They gave me 12 days. I said I need to get a new lotion. Yeah, I didn't see the one I was actually looking for. Now I'm Latin body lotion is almost 43,000 thereabout. I'm not ready to spend that kind of money for a body lotion. So I got this one. This one is not a treatment body lotion. It's not a treatment body lotion. So I got this one, and I'm looking for this Vaseline Ultra whatever body lotion, but I didn't see that the shop where I went, so I don't want to go further because I'm tired. But I'm using this one as well. They say you can use one treatment body lotion and do normal body lotion. So I don't want to still get the one of, you know, my Avino is almost 18,000. I'm not ready to buy Avino body lotion. Then I'll buy another treatment lotion, because treatment lotion are very expensive. Aside from this Vaseline one that is kind of a little bit cheaper, I think it's like 830. So in 9 or 10,000, 11,000 thereabout. So I just want to pair this one and that one together to use. Maybe probably the treatment one will be at night, and this one is in the morning. Yeah, because imagine this one is for 4,950, then the other one is almost 11,000 something. So 15,000 for 2 lotion. But that's just the simple truth. So I'm doing cleaning. Guys, I didn't say something. Yeah, I think I made mention that I'm looking for someone that will probably help me out, just like wash my clothes. At the end of the day, I pay the person. Initially it was a guy that was expecting, but the guy didn't come. So my lady is doing that for me. I'm happy, guys. Like, I am happy. At least now I can do other things, clean the house, clean the sitting room. We have 2 rooms in this house. I can clean the 2 rooms, clean the 2 toilets, mop. I mean, guys, see, if you have the finances, if you have the money, you can do it. But if you don't have, no problem. But me, I feel like the stress is too much on my head. I can't go to work and come back on Saturday again, still be doing house chores. No. I can't keep myself. So thank God that one has been sorted out. But I think the clothes will not be every Saturday. I'll do it probably two Saturdays, maybe probably in a month, 2 times. If the person can just come wash my clothes, go back, pay the person. That's all. I'm happy about that, guys. No. I'm really happy about that. I'm really happy about that. Seriously speaking, it wasn't easy for me. Saturday, sometimes I will just do one and leave the other one for the other day. But right now, I think it's a little bit okay for me. So that clothing aspect has been sorted out for now, and that's all. Apart from the fact that nobody comes to this house that often, it's just only me for now. The room, you know, sometimes if you don't clean the house, it tends to get dirty, all those stuffs. But I think I'll find my way. The other room, I've not cleaned it for some time. Probably tomorrow I will do that, or maybe within the week I will do that. But I'm okay. See you guys later. So guys, I want to eat salad. I'm about to eat my salad, and I have what you see here. So this is like the food I'm eating for lunch. I don't know, whatever is being called, but this is what I'm taking now. So guys, just finished eating, and I want to take my medication. Not like medication, sorry. I want to take my supplements that I normally take. Yeah. This is, what's this one? Okay, this is vitamin C. What's this one? Vitamin E. Yeah, normally I normally take evening primrose, but I didn't get the evening primrose this last time that I went to the pharmacy. The evening primrose I buy as 3-pack inside. Then I do take sometimes reload. I didn't see evening primrose, so I decided to get these 2 ones. I think it just remaining 2 for each. Probably I'll use them today and tomorrow. And but like, things are expensive. When I go to the pharmacy to get evening primrose, they didn't have. I said, okay, let me get reload. Oh boy, reload was it 15,000, and that one is just the one that has 30 days on. I was like, guy, give me this one, make I dey go, because one thing about me that if I don't have the money, I'll go for the one I know I can afford. That's just me. So I got this. And if you're not taking supplement, please try and take supplement. It's very good. I'm not even going to like it. Has a lot of health benefits, and it's good for your bodies as well. So I want to take my own right now, and I will catch you guys later. Hey guys, so I just came in and I bought some things, 2 things. This one here is food. I bought bread. I bought bread from Market Square, but it's not the Market Square bread. I bought Neighbors, very nice bread. I got spaghetti. I got one because I already don't have. I got lotion, body lotion. The lotion I was telling you about, my friends that I actually made. It says very good. So I got this lotion. Let me just try it. Yeah, this lotion. And then this one here, this almost studio that you're seeing. There's a frame here. There's a frame here. I really don't want to show you the frame, like there's a big frame here. So someone, these are the things I bought, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. How you guys see? This looks so real on my face. I think I changed the position of this phone, a bit camera, I don't know. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday, and you guys saw me when I had a plate of cereals, because I don't know, this morning I woke up feeling a little bit hungry, and I just ate that for service. Normally I don't eat and go to church, but today I feel like I'm hungry, so I said let me just eat something before I'll be serving and something that I felt that. Sure, that's all. I'm ready for church. I went this book. Let me even show you. I don't know if I can show you. Hey, wait. I should have been boo. Let me think if I can show you the boo. Let me please see it very well. So I'm in this boo. Yeah. Let me even show you the scent of the day. It's these two. I'm wearing these two scents. Yeah, this is Goddess by BK by Omar, and this is an Arabian perfume. Yeah, so guys, I'm putting on this perfume for this perfume is so sweet. In fact, both of them are very, very good. I had two of this BK by Omar perfume. I had Seduction and I have this one. They are about to release a new one, and I'm sure I am going to get it because I love perfume. Guys, smelling good is a good business. So let me just share this. You want to smell good? It's very good. So I just feel like, guys, this perfume is so sweet. It is so sexy. It is so yummy. If you don't have any perfume, just try it. This perfume is even costlier than this one. This one is costlier than this one, but they're very nice perfume. Yeah. So once they release the new one, I'm going to get. See me spraying the perfume as if it's like water. As if it's like water. Yeah, so let me go to church. Yeah, I'll see you once I'm back from church. Bye. Hi guys, good day. I just came back from church, not quite long. It's not up to afternoon, it's like after 11. Like I said, I closed early from church because I normally attend the smaller branch. They just do only one service. So I'm back from church and I want to eat. I have bread here. I have like 4 slices of bread. I don't know if you can see 4 slices of bread. And I also have my juice inside here. I'm going to cook, but that should be later on, not now. So I just want to eat this one. And guys, before I even go for that, I bought something because I want to make spaghetti. So I said, let me buy carrots, green pepper, and green bean. Guys, let's see this one. This one said is 200. This one like this 200. I even beg this. I said no. Then the one that is smaller than this one, I asked the bucket to give me for 1,000 naira. I'm sorry, I said for 100 naira. He refused. I said 150. Say no. That's so cute. This 3 seeds of carrots, you'll be shocked. 3 seeds of carrots is 200 naira. This small singly green beans, this 200. That used to be 100 naira. They will add plenty to be 100 naira. The things are expensive. I'm not even going to lie. So I'll just make little spaghetti that I can eat today and tomorrow. The remaining one I'll take it to work tomorrow. So that's all. Let me eat and rest a little, then cook. Yeah, so that's all. I will talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm in the kitchen. I want to start cooking right now. My, if you can hear this, the gas is on. I just boiled the water because I'm making spaghetti. Yeah, I'm making spaghetti. I think I have half one right now, so I'll use this one. So I'm boiling hot water. I've already add salt and groundnut oil so that it won't be that over, like soggy, a bit thick. Yeah, that's how I normally do my spaghetti before I cook it. So that was what. And I have my tomato. Oh, this is jollof mix. Wait, this is my first time of using it. Like, I've used this product, but this was a jollof mix. I got two of these. Usually I'll use fresh tomato, shombo and tatashi, but guys, all of those things is not expensive. It's on the high side. But I have I'm prepping my green beans, green pepper and carrot, all of those things. Yeah, so let me just add this one, cut this one. See, the water is boiling. So guys, these are my ingredients. I have my carrots, green pepper, green beans, and my onion. I don't know if I should add this dark soy to eat. I can't really tell. I feel like adding something, but I'm okay with these ones. Yeah. So guys, I'm done cooking. This is my spaghetti. I actually added the dark soy finally. I don't know if you can see it. I actually added it. Yeah, this is my spaghetti. Yeah, no chicken. I wanted to buy chicken, but man, guys. Hi guys, so I'm in the dining area. So you guys saw the spaghetti I made. Yeah, I won't end this vlog here, but before then I want to say something just briefly. I went to get chicken yesterday. I don't know if I mentioned it in this blog. I went to get chicken, and the chicken I went to buy was this one they like selling this bigger mall like Market Square, next cash and carry. You know, this one they put in a little small plate, container plate, maybe probably wings, labs, all of those stuffs. So I went to the mall yesterday to get that chicken. Guys, I was disappointed. The chicken I saw wasn't that fresh, but it wasn't even fresh. I don't like it wasn't that fresh. It wasn't even fresh. I was like, I tried to even check, even made the same thing, snail, because they have snail, they have chicken, they have beef meat. None of them was fresh. I didn't like the color of the chicken, so I ended up not buying chicken yesterday because, seriously speaking, I had it in mind to cook stew yesterday because I feel like I've not eaten stew for the longest time. I have not prepared stew in the house, so I wanted to get stew, but I didn't buy. So that was all. I ended up making this spaghetti this afternoon. And what do I want to say, guys? I don't know how you guys are coping in your area, cost of living. You guys saw these macaroni, the green pepper, carrots, green beans I bought. Everything is just expensive. I went to get, like, normally if I'm making pasta, jollof pasta, I used to buy shombo, tatashi, blend them together to make it. But guys, they'll take 2 seed 500, 3 seed 1.5 seed 500. So I don't understand what is really happening. Cost of living is so high in Nigeria. If you're going to the market with 10,000 like just to buy normal things, you won't buy anything. I'm not saying like box stocking of your household, no, just like you will enter, you know, like you want to enter the market and just make small food, and there things are so expensive. So I don't know, let me know in the comment section how is your area with foodstuffs, because at this stage I won't say everywhere the same thing though. Abuja, Lagos, Port Harcourt, name it, all the cities are the same things. Everybody just passing through one way or the other. I just pray that God will come to provide for us so that we can meet up our need, like we can eat food because at this stage nobody wants to I'm not saying people are not buying things or people are not traveling now. People are still traveling, people are still going here, everything. But you know that the cost, like food items, is crazy. Something, imagine I had Coke, it's now 400, in some places 500. Just imagine that kind of a thing. So it's not like people are not traveling or there's no money. Like, people are traveling, people are still building houses, people are still buying cars, but it's not easy. And not everybody that can afford even 2 square meal right now. I'm not even like, not everybody that can afford that. So that's all I want to say in this box. So don't forget to like, share, leave your comment. Let me know how is things in your area. Do you normally go to the bigger market or the smaller market? I feel like if I want to buy this carrots and green pepper, I'll go to one market they call Sangana Street in my own area, so I can get those things better than this one close to my house. This market that is close to the house, you know, follow that one. Kingsway supermarket, one that says like this, they don't go back, so let's speak. So maybe I'll go to that market and get some of all these veggies that I normally use. Yeah, so see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.